In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the sum function in Google Sheets. Mastering this simple yet powerful function can make managing data seamless and efficient, especially if you're dealing with large sets of numbers. So, let's dive in and take it step by step. First, let's get started by opening Google Sheets. If you haven't already, open up your web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. You may need to log into your Google account if you haven't already done so. Once you're logged in, either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one where you would like to apply the sum function. This foundational step sets the stage, ensuring that you have the right canvas to work on. Now that your spreadsheet is ready, head over to cell A23. This is where we're going to calculate our total. Clicking directly on cell A23 will activate it, indicating that it's ready to receive your input. It's helpful to ensure you're in the correct cell to avoid accidental errors down the line. Next, let's type in our formula. In cell A23, you'll want to enter the following equation: equals sum a1 a20. As you type, Google Sheets will display suggested functions, which can be super handy if you're new to this. What we're doing here is instructing Google Sheets to add up all the values from cell A1 through to A20. This range is flexible, and you can adjust it as needed, depending on your specific requirements. After you've entered the formula, it's time for the magic to happen. Hit the Enter key on your keyboard. As soon as you do this, Google Sheets will automatically calculate the total of the numbers within your specified range and display the result in cell A23. It's a swift action that provides immediate feedback, reflecting the power of automation in data management. And there you have it. You've successfully used the sum function in Google Sheets. This is a fundamental feature that can significantly streamline your data analysis and reporting tasks. If at any point you need to sum a different range, simply click on the relevant cell, adjust the range in the formula, and let Google Sheets do the heavy lifting for you. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. You can extend the sum function to different columns or even combine it with other functions for more advanced calculations. Exploring these capabilities can save you time and introduce efficiencies in your workflow. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you use these tools, the more proficient you'll become. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any more questions about using Google Sheets, feel free to explore other resources or ask in the comments below. Happy calculating!